Buying a high mileage Tesla is smart. Bit of an interesting video here. Let's take a listen to it.
Financial move you can make right now. The internet is completely lying to you about buying a used Tesla. Everyone in the comments section always tries to defend, don't buy a high mileage Tesla, don't buy a high mileage car, but they're completely wrong. I personally wouldn't buy a high mileage normal gas car, but I would gladly purchase a high mileage used Tesla. I mean, it makes total sense that people would be scared to purchase a high mileage car. I mean, I would too if it was a normal gas car with all those moving parts, all the oil. Those are destined to fail. But a high mileage Tesla, these are going to last you for a long time. The motors alone are built to last up to 500,000 miles. And the EV batteries aren't built like normal gas cars. These are built completely different. EV batteries don't operate like a normal engine does. The Tesla batteries are just like your phone battery. And the data shows that after 100,000 miles, you still have 85% battery health in your Tesla. And it makes so much financial sense because you could buy a used Tesla for half the price of a brand new one. You could skip the wear and tear of a gas car and just get a used EV, and the battery will still outlast the actual body of the vehicle. What's the maximum amount of miles that you would purchase on a used EV? Buying a mileage Tesla.
Yeah, pretty good vehicle. And I mean, certainly even Tesla says themselves, like Tesla says after 200,000 miles, Model 3 and Model Y's batteries are designed to retain 80% of its original battery capacity. I mean, we've seen Model 3s and Model Ys go like 2, 3, 400,000 miles out there. And what's really going to fail on you beforehand, which would also fail on a gas vehicle, is your suspension parts before that. And really, when the battery goes out, there's all these different shops that are popping up now that can like repair like certain parts of the battery, not just replacing the whole thing. And we've already seen some quotes like to get the whole battery replaced is like what, a couple $1,000s to $6,000 to $8,000. If you go to Tesla, it's going to be $14,000. But a lot of these different shops are popping up with which is putting in remanufactured batteries or refurbished batteries in it for a lot cheaper price, which I mean, if you go with an engine, you're going to be replacing the engine after like 2, 3, 400,000 miles potentially as well. But still very interesting to see this. And one advice is if you are going to be buying one of these different older Tesla vehicles with these high mileage like we have before in the past as well, I would definitely get an Xcare EV protection plan because you want to protect whether it's just battery or drive-in or more with the premium coverage. So definitely check out Xcare EV protection plan so you can avoid some of those nasty, expensive repair bills, and use promo code Dennis to save a massive $200 off if you're looking to get a protection plan for your used electric vehicle.